Hey everyone, I am Manoj Bhattacharya from MB's Teachings. Last videos based on pronouns perhaps pleased you very much. This video is also very much important for some extent because there are so many informations that will stun you definitely if you watch out the video from top to bottom. Let's get started. Correct use of some pronouns. He, she, it are demonstrative pronouns as they have their distinctive gender which other personal pronouns do not have. Next is personal pronoun after verb to be is nominative. Example, who is there? Answer is it is I. Was it they? It was they. Personal pronoun after verb to be is nominative. So nominative is what? They. Yes. Next is, but in informal English, commonly called to be spoken English, they are used as objective like it's me. Like it's me. That means it is me. In spoken English, we may use it. Question number 3. When pronoun acts as subject of a verb, it must be nominative. Subject of a verb, it must be nominative. Example, it was he, not him. Mind that, not him, but it will be he. It was he who assisted me. It was I, not me, who saw me ill. That means it was I who saw me ill. Question number 4. When a pronoun acts as the subject of a verb, it must be objective case. Example, the boy is known to him and me, not I. The boy is known to him and me, not I. Second example, I brought this for you and him, not he. That means it must be objective. Here in the first sentence, him is the objective case and the second one is him is also objective case. Question number 5. A pronoun after then and as is used as nominative. Okay? Example, she is more intelligent than I. And it is I am. So am is in first bracket. I am taller than she is. He is not so strong as you are. He is not so strong as you are. So R is in bracket. Question number 6. In case of transitive verb, the use of subject and object depends on the complete sense of the sentence. Example, I know you better than he. That means better than he. He does. He knows you. I know you better than him. I know him. Next is, you like her as much as I. As I like her. That is the meaning given there in the bracket. You like her as much as me. That means as you like me. Question number 7. Between is a preposition followed by any pronoun, then it must be in the objective case. Between is a preposition followed by any pronoun, then the pronoun must be in the objective case. Look at the example. Between you and me, Raju will sit. Raju will sit between you and me. So you and me are in objective case. Question number 8. When but is used as a preposition, but the pronoun that is used after it, that means pronoun is used after the very word but, then it must be in objective case. Example, none but him, none but he. No, not he, but it must be him. Past the test. Question number 9. When let is followed by a pronoun, let is followed by a pronoun, it must be in objective case. So let us do the work. Let us do the work. Here us is in objective case. Question number 10. What is independent his Look at fantastic example, and I am the first one to give you this example here in this video. What is independent his? Here, his is the word used for both possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So therefore the very word his is called or considered as independent his. Look at the example. This is his pen, possessive adjective. This pen is his, possessive pronoun. Next, example number 11. What is double possessive? Oh my god, what is double possessive? Double possessive, look at pronouns that are used as possessive adjective and possessive pronoun with the variation of R. That means her, our, ours, hers and s. Example, her, hers, your, yours, their, theirs. So here R and S are two possessive suffixes, R and S, after the very word you, after the very word her, after the very word their. Okay, so it should be suffixes. Question number 12. What is possessive of interest? Possessive of interest. When a possessive of personal pronoun draws interest. Again, when a possessive of personal pronoun draws interest, then it is in possessive of interest. Example, our hero. That means we pay respect to the hero. The man is whom we have taken so much interest. The man in whom we have taken so much interest now left the field. Our hero now left the field. Thank you very much for watching this video from top to bottom. Again, I mention all the students, viewers and others, just go through the video from top to bottom. There are so many information that will enhance, that will help you enhancing your knowledge at home. Practice more and more at home and get acknowledged. Thank you very much. Happy watching.